Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 are rumored to be launched later this year. The recent developments suggest that the foldable smartphone will launch in August 2021 instead of Note 21 series. However, new reports claim that the upcoming foldable smartphone launch event could be hosted earlier than rumored. Sam Mobile citing South Korean reports claim that the Samsung Unpack event could be held in July this year. The report does not reveal exact launch date. A few details of the two Samsung foldable smartphones had leaked in the past. Let's take a look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 launch details, specification and other details. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Flip 3 tipped to launch in July 2021 ahead of rumored August event. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 launch in July instead of August 2021. The exact launch date is unknown at the moment. Samsung was rumored to launch the two foldable smartphones in August or September. The company has confirmed that it will not be launched Note 21 series due to chip shortage. The Sam Mobile report claimed that the South Korean tech behemoth will launch its foldable smartphone in July. The launch is earlier than the rumored schedule. Samsung might want to push some flagship device in July to get solid start for second half of 2021. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, Galaxy Z Flip 3 rumor specs. Recently, rumor says that the Fold 3 could features under-display camera. Samsung has been testing the under-display camera on the Z Fold 3. However, inclusion of under-display camera is not confirmed yet due to logistic issues. If the company decided to go ahead with the under-display camera, the Fold 3 will become with the 16 megapixel front camera on the main display. It will also have 12 megapixel of front camera on the cover display. The foldable device is tipped to come with the S Pen support. It will be a hybrid between the S Pen found on the S21 Ultra and Note 21 series. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 will come with a triple camera setup on the back. It will have 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 16 megapixel camera setup on the back. The Z Flip 3 will have 10 megapixel of front camera inside the hole punch display. Furthermore, the phone will have 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel camera setup on the back. It is tipped to come with a 3100 mAh battery. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Samsung foldable phones? Let us know in the comments below.